In this video, I will show you how to buy XRP on Crypto.com. To do this, first go and open up the Crypto.com app. From there, click on Buy in the home screen. And then here, click on the search bar at the top and type in XRP. You will then find it right here, so it's also called Ripple. Go and click on it. Now choose how much you want to buy, for example 10 euros. Then where it says Buy With, click on it to select your payment method. I'll use a different cryptocurrency, so I'll buy some using my Ethereum, for example. Then from there, go and click Review Order. And then just click on Confirm. And you can now see I've purchased some XRP. Now I can go to my accounts and my Ethereum will now go down while I have bought some XRP. So now you know how to buy XRP on Crypto.com. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.